and how important jurisprudence is in impeachment proceedings. According to her, this is something only lawyers can effectively do because of their legal training.
Nakita natin sa kasaysayan ng impeachment sa ating bansa, si Senate President Nene Pimentel, abogado yon, si Senate President JPE, and really, abogado yon. Nakita mo yung yaman ng literature nila to make a ruling. Yun ang kinokol ng presiding officer, that you are able to break the impasse, to intervene when necessary, and to rule. Ang ruling mo is based on jurisprudence.
Current Senate President Alan Peter Cayetano is a lawyer. In the Cayetano Majority Bloc, 4 senators are lawyers. These include Senators Pia Cayetano, Chis Escudero, and Rodante Marcoleta. Meanwhile, in the camp of former Senate President Tito Soto, only Senator Kiko Pangilinan is a lawyer.
Si Senate President Soto, plano niya siya magkakaroon ng impeachment manager na si Senator Kiko Pangilinan. Sa tingin ko yun ay admittance on his part na he really needs assistance. And how will you be able to rule kung yun ay manggagaling sa iba? So lahat subject, lalo na dito sa contentious na impeachment kayo Vice President, yung ruling napakahalaga. Hindi pwede yung medyo padagilid-tagilid o medyo patawa-tawa. Hindi, napakaseryosong bagay ito. Kasi Vice Presidente yung ini-impeach.
Tequia also posed a proposal to make the Chief Justice of the Supreme Court the presiding officer of the impeachment court. She says that the Constitution specifically designates the Senate President to serve as presiding officer or Chief Judge in impeachment proceedings.